Well, if you have a cold and a sneeze on someone, they're infected immediately. With the flu, though, you're going to probably not show signs or symptoms until days after the exposure. So in tonight's Life, Your Health, Julia Dunn shows us some easy ways to limit the spread as we head into another peak flu season.
It takes 2 to 3 days for symptoms to show up, so you could be walking around, no fever, muscle aches, unknowingly infecting other people. Last year's flu season was really bad in New York State, so this year a big push is being made in prevention both at home and in hospitals.
So at a glance, you can really easily identify if your provider has had their vaccination.
A red sticker in the corner of Marty Luzina's hospital ID says that she's had the flu shot. It's now a requirement per order of the New York State Department of Health. Otherwise, staff must wear a mask in areas where patients are.
Flu has huge implications and consequences, especially in the older folks and in the younger people. Anyone with any underlying diseases like diabetes, lung disease.
Here in Albany Memorial's clinical microbiology lab, they're looking at what causes strep. Luzina says the flu is something they can't culture for. The CDC says widespread influenza has already been reported in New York State, but not every case means a trip to the hospital.
Coming to the ED should be only used as a last resort if you're having really severe symptoms like extreme fevers, you're getting dehydrated, you can't drink, you can't swallow, you're having difficulty breathing.
First line of defense against the flu, the vaccine. It takes 2 weeks to build immunity. Meantime, there's also some things you can do at home and at the office to prevent the spread. First, remember to wash your hands thoroughly and often. When you sneeze, don't do it into your hands. Remember to use your elbow. And also, think of a lot of things that you use around the house. Your kid's lunchbox, a stapler, TV remote, doorknob. Try and wipe these down once or twice a day to minimize the transition among family members. For Your Life, Your Health, I'm Julia Dunn, CBS 6 News.